Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cook Cook Cook. Hope you and your family are doing perfectly well. What we're going to cook today is a vegetable sambar. Sambar is something which is a main curry in most of our vegetarian meals. So we can see how that is made so that you can get the right taste every single time. So let's go and see how that is done. Let us quickly look at the ingredients required for our vegetable sambar. So I'm using tur dal. So I have about 1/3 cup of tur dal and about 250 grams of sambar onion. You could use the regular onions as well, but sambar onion adds a extra flavor to your sambar. And about 2 large tomatoes roughly chopped, and I have 1 carrot diced, 1 potato diced, and about 5 beans that I've roughly cut into small pieces, and I have 3 brinjal diced. And for seasoning, I will be using 1 small onion, a few curry leaves, and a red chili. And also, we are going to be adding 3 green chilies and 3 cloves of garlic chopped, and sambar masala, which is primary flavoring for the sambar. And we will also be using asafoetida and jeera for seasoning. So these are our ingredients for the sambar. So now we can go into the process of making our vegetable sambar. I have my cooker on the stove, into which we can pour in about 2 cups of water and our 1/3 cup of tur dal, which is washed and drained, 1 potato, 1 carrot, 3 brinjals, and 5 beans, and 2 large tomatoes, 3 green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic. After all of our vegetables and dal has gone in, we can close the cooker and let it cook for 3 minutes. After the vegetables and the dal has cooked in the cooker for 3 minutes and all of the steam has escaped, we will now open the cooker and add in our sambar onions and our coriander. This is about a half a bunch of coriander, and about 1.5 tablespoons of sambar masala. Give this a good nice mix, and we will add in a teaspoon of salt. We will close the cooker again, cook it just for 1 minute. So after we added the onions, we have cooked this for another whistle and turned off the flame. So we will set this cooker aside for the steam to escape while we work on the tadka. For the tadka, I have a small saucepan on the stove. Into my pan, I will put in a 3/4 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll put in about half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin. Once they begin to splutter, I will add my curry leaves, followed by my onions and red chili. To this, I'll also add half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Our tadka is now ready, so I will get to working on the sambar. I will now open up the cooker, and now we can add in the tadka to the sambar that I cooked. Give it a quick stir, and our sambar is ready to be served. You can now see that our perfect, delicious vegetable sambar is ready. This can be enjoyed with rice or idli or dosa or vada or anything that you like to enjoy it with. So do try it at home and let us know how it was. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.